Hey friends, do you struggle to keep your mind clear, to focus, to find clarity in decision making? If you do, then this video is for you. I'm going to teach you a simple Qi Gong practice that you can use for clarity. And so I want to start out by saying that you want to be breathing deeply, and I'm going to show you the exercise, and then just remember to couple it with your breath. It's not a race. My practice might be slower than yours because we'll breathe at different paces, but just know that what I'm showing you is to be coupled with your breath, okay? And I'll explain the stance and everything. So, ready? Here we go. Okay. So stance, I recommend standing with feet hip width apart. You do not want to lock your knees because that is going to break up the flow of circulation and energy, qi. So you want to keep your knees like micro bent, okay? So a micro bend in the knees, shoulder width apart, roll your shoulders back. Let your arms hang loose. And you want to imagine your spine as a straight line. I have a sway back, so I tend to tilt my pelvis forward when I'm practicing because I want that spine to be in a straight line. Okay, ready? So what we're going to do is we're going to hold our hands here. Imagine like you're holding a big beach ball. And you want to send your breath down into your abdomen. You want to feel an expansion when you breathe in and a contraction as you exhale. All right, let's get started. Breathe in through your nose, filling up your abdomen. Pause and slowly exhale out of your mouth. Let's do that again. Breathe in through your nose. Pause. And slowly exhale out of your mouth. Good. Now breathe normally. So that is the kind of breathing we're going to do with this exercise. We're going to leave our hands here, and with one hand, we'll take it as we inhale up, and now exhale and bring your hand down in front of you. And next side, inhale up. And exhale down. Inhale up. And exhale down. Inhale up. And exhale down. Let's do two more. Good. That's great. So if you don't have the space for that, but you're feeling tense or stressed, or even you're at work and you're having trouble with that clarity, I recommend just putting your hands down on your abdomen and taking those deep breaths in. Deep breath in and exhale. You want to exhale fully. And this is so good because it brings us in the moment. My friend Natalia, and I'm going to link her Facebook Live below. She was talking about how we're trained in our society to multitask, but that's an unrealistic expectation. Like we're just a little bit here and there rather than like fully engaged or fully focused on any one thing. And so that breathing is going to really bring you into this time and space. So I hope that helps. I hope it brings some clarity. I hope that you notice a difference. If you do, please leave me a message below and be like, Sarah, that worked great. Give me more. And if you want to know more, if you want more tips, more ideas, more Qi Gong ideas, please visit sarahfalkcoaching.com and go to the Worry Less resources, the Reduce Worry resource page, and get all the good stuff because there's lots there for you. Okay, friends, have a great day. I will talk to you soon.